We are going to try another test ride. I've put a WindSlayer on my GoPro 5. See if I can block out some of that wind noise that I've been picking up. There's two things I want to see if I can hear on the video. The main one being the stuttering that I believe is from a rich needle. The second one being is that I do have a slippy clutch, it feels like. But I'm going to focus on the engine. It does take a while for it to start going away once it gets a little warmer. The bike is warm now, but not like hot warm like it's been running around. I just ran it in the garage. So let's see if we can give this a shot. once we get some heat in it, most of that sputtering goes away. It was there for the first whole half of that ride, and I didn't think it was going to. And by the end of it, most of that sputtering was gone. It's mainly first, second gear, and all of a sudden it's gone in third for the whole ride. But this may be where I want it. Probably a better shaped needle would work a little bit better, but this is what I got for now. I don't think I need to drop it another one. I think this just really needs to be warm. Two-stroke a little bit different. I mean, the whole exhaust temperature and the way that it moves gases back and forth inside of it based on the shape of it, and the fact that gases move at different speeds, whether they're hot or cold, it could be affecting that quite a bit. So hopefully that was a better audio than the other one. So there we go. Yeah, so just a quick note on what I did. I got this WindSlayer, and it goes around the whole case on this GoPro 5, and it seemed to make it quite a bit better for that video. I still think as soon as you get over about 30-35 miles an hour, the wind is still pretty bad on these things. I'll put it in here in a second, but I do wish I went with the GoPro 4, the non-waterproof ones. Those ones don't seem to have quite the audio issues that these. This is a 5, and I've read the same thing about the 6 and 7. Just they don't have nearly as good of audio because they had to sacrifice so much to do the waterproofing. So here's what this little cutie pie looks like now. So this just clips into my helmet, and all the buttons are still, there's cutouts for each of them. I'm going to guess you could deaden out some more sound if you paid some attention to those, maybe covered those things up, and you can use the whole thing and everything. So yeah, I mean, for like $7, this thing's really damn nice. It achieved its intended purpose. I would recommend it just based on that. I don't think you're going to hop on the freeway and be all right with it, but for short little jaunts like that, and especially stuff going outside, once the mud goes away, well, I want to get in the mud, but once it gets nice outside and the snow is gone, this will be a nice little thing. And it means that I don't have to get an external microphone, which is also a weird thing. Like, you got to get this proprietary thing that sticks out the side and hangs down and everything. Screw that. If it's under 35, I'm using this little bad boy from now on. So let's get to